Well, good afternoon. Today I'm going to make a mess.
Well, what else is new?
Oh, wait a minute now. That's what I called this dish. I called it a mess. I start out with ramen noodles and our old friend meat in a can. I start off with, use the can to break up these. Unless you got a big hand with a big knuckly fist on it, and use the can. Now we will open the can. And this is the best way to get it out. Just don't make a mess like I did, see? Alright, we're waiting for the skillet to get hot. I'm going to add a little bit of popcorn oil and regular olive oil, light tasting olive oil. And the remainder of the canned meat I'm going to put up so it'll stay fresh and I can use it again another day. I'm going to dice up this piece right here. No, I'm not a trained chef. I've just been doing this a long time. As a trained chef, I wouldn't be poor. Be like that Emerald guy. Two fat ladies. I loved that old show. These old women rode around on a motorcycle with a sidecar and went to different places and cooked for people. Hilarious show. Okay, I put the Spam in here with the ramen noodles. Just sort of working them around together. Now here's an optional thing right here. The little packet of seasoning that comes with the ramen noodle. You can either use it or not use it. That's your preference. But this is all the seasoning that I put in this. The meat and the oil does the rest of it. Now what's going to happen right now is the ramen noodles are going to start absorbing your hot oil. I'm making this video primarily for a friend of mine who works and lives in Northern Virginia. And he wanted to know how to use this, so this is what I'm doing. This is an induction hot plate. It works by magnetic induction on a ferrous bottom skillet like this. Very economical and it's easy to do.
You can use it camping.
That's right. In fact, I did away with my little Weber grill that I used to carry camping, and the gas grill. I had an old Coleman gas grill that ran off propane cylinders. It was big, it was heavy, it was nasty, it was hard to clean, and I gave it away actually. Now, after the ramen, it's drawn up all the oil. Just add some hot water. The reason I call this a mess is because it usually makes one. However, it is delicious. It goes with everything, especially some baked chicken or collards or...
You can add whatever vegetables that you like.
That's right. I'm going to do these today because they were handy. Actually, I opened the refrigerator and they fell out of the freezer. So that's what I'm using. I take this induction hot plate. I go out on the deck. No cleanup. No old charcoal to get rid of. No big ugly nasty stoves to clean and put away. Just this little hot tank and this one skillet. And I can cook this on it. You gotta watch your heat. Now this thing will get rocket hot if you're not really careful. So watch your heat. Listen to the sound of the sizzle. Alright. Just mixed vegetables. These are the kind you steam in the bag. There. If you catch them, you can get them on sale. Steamed vegetables are better for you. The nutrients are still there. Don't let it get dry on you. Keep some water handy. I heat the water so it doesn't cool down the pot. If you've got access to power, whether it's shore power or you've got one of those big battery deals like they talk about, all you need is electricity to get this hot plate working. You can do this anywhere and have a good meal, and the children will eat their vegetables because it's got ramen noodles in it and all kinds of goodies. Just don't tell them what this next ingredient's going to be. It is my favorite. Just be careful not to cut my hand opening this thing. Baby spinach. Sort of let that wilt down. And then I use this kind of spray olive oil on top of that. This has no flammable propellants in it. About setting my daddy's kitchen on fire when I was like 17 years old because I didn't know that the heat indicator needs to be cut down. Grease got too hot, grease flared up. I tried to pick it up, dropped it, burned a hole in the floor. Something else got burnt later on that night. We won't talk about it. Anything you want to add to it, any way you want to do it, but this is the quickest, best way. But the thing about this being left over, you can make a new one of these every night with the leftover from the night before. You don't waste any food that way. So if you want to add frozen shrimp to it, if you want to add other vegetables and sort of mix it around, it's delicious to do that. My buddy up there in Northern Virginia, I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you enjoy your hot plate. Be sure and like our channel and subscribe to it and share it with your friends. We try to make good content, so there's other things on our channel. If you'll go over and look, it might be enjoyable to you. So thank you very much. Goodbye. Switch off.